Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Buick Enclave in an Essence trim or package, I believe, and powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around and all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for 7 in this vehicle with a full leather interior. They get their own cup holders and USBs back here. And underneath this cover, you have more storage, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet. And this can be closed again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2 with rear climate controls, as well as a 120-volt power outlet and 2 USBs. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle they're running, you can see it's sitting at 64,153 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free radio controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, your fuel economy information, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, trip timer, battery voltage, transmission fluids, temperature. You can also go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your hands-free phone controls. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CIDI, actually possibly not CIDI, but auxiliary and Bluetooth, so you have some options there. You have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. And to the left, you have your traction control shut off, your all-wheel drive mode, your drive mode for tow haul. And then on the right, you have your hazards and park assist sensor shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Below that, you have 2 USBs and your auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then you have your main shifter here. You do also have select shift. You have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have 2 hidden cup holders right there. Underneath all of this, you have this bin with a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug in from there too. And then looking at your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. You have a removable tray here, and under that, a bunch more room for all your stuff. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can lay in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.